During a sneeze, your brain practically shuts down. The brainstem takes control, instantly pausing voluntary functions like movement and speech. Your eyes clamp shut automatically to protect themselves. Then, your chest compresses and air explodes outward at more than 100 miles per hour, carrying mucus and particles with it. Trying to hold back a sneeze can actually damage your ears or even rupture vessels. It's one of the most violent reflexes your body has. Next time you sneeze, remember, it's a full system override. Bless someone by sharing this.